Where DJ Door is not on the back of the bike, she is behind the bike in her car. Now, hopefully you can hear her. We're taking the back road because the high... Go ahead.
They can't hear me. They can't hear me. If they hear me, I'll be surprised.
Okay. If they can hear you, I'll be happy. Because I've got the mic set where they should be able to pick you up as easily as they pick me up. Hopefully they pick me up. But we're taking the back road, which goes closer to the airport because the highway is just dead packed. And I like taking the back road sometimes. It's just, you know, this one's got a lot of lights. So you either...
But at least we got a green light.
Oh, yeah. Now, it's kind of funny because a moment ago when we were coming up to that red light that I turned you on at, I was doing what my wife normally does because it's kind of hot today. So as soon as I get to where I'm straight again, because I can't turn a trike like I do a two-wheeler. For a trike, I just adjust my hips and the bike will go where I want. Two-wheeler, I have to do, or a three-wheeler, I have to have my hands on the yoke to make her go. But when I'm straight, like right here where all the wheels are in place, I can do this number and I'm good to go. Because the momentum will keep her in line, but when I have to turn, I have to have at least one hand on. And when she's in movement, it's real easy. I don't need to have both hands. Now, if I'm on the highway, I generally keep both hands on because people are crazy on the highway.
Nah, they're not crazy, they're lunatics.
Same thing in my book. License out of Cracker Jack. I keep seeing that VFW is there. It's not the one I usually like. There's a VFW we passed there that has a real cool missile out front.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, the one I like is the one down in Suburban Park.
Suburban Park,
Yeah, that's the one I do some stuff for around Christmas time. They're pretty nice. I like the place. It always seems to be jumping. Whoa, Spirit Airline came out of the tree. It's a UFO. That's one thing about this road.
It's a spirit.
I'm not an alcoholic. I'm a spiritualist.
That was a dad joke if I ever heard it.
Hey, I thought it was great. It falls into, hey, I'm not an alcoholic. I'm a spiritualist because I drink spirits. Because I can't stand beer. Yep, right there's the airport. That's BWI. Anybody doesn't know. And if you look that way, you can just see a plane coming towards us. I ain't gonna slow down enough so you can see him closer, but just over that way. This is the wrong angle. You can tell me what he is, but I'm thinking he's the Southwest. I was gonna say he's blue, so he should be Southwest, but I know there used to be another blue airline.
It used to be Delta.
Thank you.
Then Delta went to white.
Yeah. Now this is not... You're shifting lanes?
I'm shifting over, yeah.
Yeah, once the truck gets by me, I'll shift over as well. That's the nice thing when you have a big vehicle behind you. They give you your back protection. They're your tail gunner. And ever since I got on the truck, actually before I got on the truck, I usually had people wanting me to be tail gunner because as they put it, you'll block anybody, you don't care. And I'm like, no. They hit me, I've got a lot of insurance, and I just don't care. I'll do whatever it takes to keep everybody safe. And I like taking care of the troops, so. I've been the lead a couple of times, but I prefer being the rear gunner and taking care of everybody, moving them along.
Get along, dirty dog.
Do I miss riding on a two-wheeler? Deep, 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 deep. It didn't deep, 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 deep.
What?
The camera.
Because I'm still seeing something on it.
Okay. I'm hoping I didn't accidentally turn it off and talk that whole time with you. I just turned it back on for sure. We'll find out when we get home.
I honestly don't know if it was on or not before.
It's okay.
Because I'm not getting that close to you.
No, I really don't like people driving that close to me. Town center, here is the police station. District court, sorry. I always think police station, because I always see the police there. I think the city jail's in there too.
It's because the district court is there.
Yeah.
No, the jail is over on off of Jumper Hole. Or not Jumper Hole.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yeah. That's up
Furnace
Branch. Yep. Ordnance, okay.
Ordnance. Across from the Home Depot.
Yep.
That's where the jail is.
Yeah. We've got the Army Reserve place right near it. That you can tell used to be a Navy Reserve. Because they have big anchors out front.
Well, you know, the Army has boats.
Yeah, not that size.
They still have boats.
They also have more aircraft. The Navy has more aircraft than the Air Force. If I'm not mistaken.
I think we're about even.
Governor Ritchie Highway, main thoroughfare through here. When we get up here to 7-Eleven, I am closing down the video.
Okay.
Well, for my watchers, I very much appreciate you guys watching my videos. I hope you guys enjoy them. This is the high school here, Glen Burnie High. I'm trying to think who died that went to Glen Burnie High. I don't know because I was never a student or teacher there.
It's not for them. It's because of the senator that, or the representative. I can't remember.
Oh yeah. You're right.
Senator that died.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Car crash.
Yeah. Yeah, that was, what, just a few days ago?
Yeah, almost a week.
Yeah.
So they'll be raising the flags here soon.
Yep. So there's 7-Eleven, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this video. Again, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a blast.